Meet Open Interpreter, the latest open source tool that allows AI to run code directly on your computer, making things happen. Want to switch your system to dark mode? Just ask. Can you set my system to dark mode? Your system has been set to dark mode. This isn't just limited to changing settings. Open Interpreter can create apps, handle your documents, and even manage your schedule. Here are some sample demos. Can you make a simple Pomodoro app? Boom! A Pomodoro app, just like that. What's on my calendar today? Not just checking, how about sharing your schedule? Open Interpreter is cross-platform, open source, and totally free. It makes your computer as easy to use as having a conversation, convert documents, run scripts, automate tasks, all with the power of your voice. Want to convert all your Word docs to PDF in a folder? Just ask. Need to interact with your favorite apps? No problem. It's like having an AI assistant embedded in your system, one that can run code to get things done. And because it's open source, everyone can use it and contribute to make it better. So, if you've ever dreamed of talking to your computer like it's your personal assistant, check out Open Interpreter. With AI, everyone can code, and you can do so much more. Links are in the description below. Give it a try, and start talking to your PC or Mac today. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would ask Open Interpreter to do for you.